Finding a missing side of a rectangle or parallelogram. There's nothing new you need to know to do these questions, so you can actually pause the video and have a go at those now without any more knowledge needing to be known. Okay, example 7. Find the length of the base if the area is 52 centimeters squared. First of all, you need to identify what the shape is. It's a parallelogram, and the formula for the area of a parallelogram is A equals BH. And then we need to fill in any of the letters that we know from reading the question again. So find the length of the base. That means we won't know actually what B is, so it's going to stay as B. If the area is 52, so the area A is 52. Multiplied by BH means B times H. H is the height of this parallelogram, which you can see is 4. Okay, so we've got B times 4 is 52. To work out B, you can divide both sides by 4. And 52 divided by 4 will give us 13. So B equals 13. You may like to write down in the way you do this that we are dividing both sides by 4. If you prefer that, that's okay. Example 8. Find the height if the area is 42 centimeters squared. Identify the shape to be a triangle, and the formula for a triangle is a half BH. The question tells us that A, the area, is 42. That's going to be equal to a half times the base, which we can see is 7 from the diagram, multiplied by the height, which we don't know. We can simplify the right hand side. If you're to work this out, you can do a half times 7. That just means a half of 7, which is 3.5 or 7 halves. I'll just leave it as a decimal, it might be easier. So 42 is equal to 3.5 times h, or 3.5h. To get h, you have to divide by the number of h's. So we're going to divide both sides by 3.5. And you end up with 42 divided by 3.5, and just quickly in the calculator, type that in, and we get 12. So our final answer is h equals 12 centimeters. And I should have put in the last example as well. That should have been in centimeters. The base and the height are both lengths.